It's kind of a fun fidget toy, and it's got metal weights inside of it, and it spins really well. It's got a real high quality bearing and a real high quality lubrication that I put in there, and it's just a lot of fun to play around with. Spins really well. Spin for a pretty good long while. And it's similar in function to a popular torque bar that someone else makes. It's pure metal. This is 3D printed, and but like I said, it's got copper weights inside of there, so it's pretty hefty, and you can set it on a desktop and spin it like that, and it's really well balanced. It's precision balanced. The weights are moved back and forth and shaved down until it's all real equal. And you can spin it vertically, of course, and it's kind of fun to play around with you feel the gyroscopic effects of it. If you twist it around in the air, you can feel it pulling in all different directions. And if you have an air compressor, you can really get it going. I'm going to show you here. I'll hook up the hose. And I'm just going to give it a light blast of air. You don't want to give too much because it really gets flying. I have these for sale on my in my Etsy shop, and it's etsy.com/Rick Romer Lighting, all one word. Romer's Roemer. Hope you like it. Thanks a lot.